I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go.
Yo, what is good, gang? What is good, squad? Yo, it is DJ, bro. It's your boy DJ once again. Yo, I had this funny idea. I gotta be quiet because Ashley is like outside. You know this is a prank video. You know by the title. But what I'm gonna do is, I had this idea to do a social experiment. We were gonna have me hair blowing Ashley's hair. So what we were gonna do is, we were gonna do a husband hair blows his wife's hair video for you guys. But what she doesn't know is I put flour inside the hair blower, yo. So when I turn that thing on, she's gonna get blown in the face and the hair with flour, bro. This is gonna be funny, man. So I gotta set this camera up. She thinks that we're gonna be doing just a regular video, but this is really a prank. Will she get mad? Won't she get mad? I don't know how she gonna react, but I'm excited to see. Let's go, man. Let's go.
What up, real squad?
It's your boy DJ Gang. What he do?
And it's your girl Ashley, and today we're here with the husband does my blow dry. So guys, I just washed and conditioned my hair. I got it all wrapped up. So basically what I'm gonna have DJ do is detangle, put heat protectant in it, section it off, and blow dry it. And we're gonna see how he does that. He's never blow dried hair before, so this should be very interesting, okay? If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like and comment, and hit that bell for notifications, because we are posting new content every other day. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna take out this towel. What I need you to do first is detangle my hair.
So what do I do?
The detangle brush.
Okay.
So this is the detangle brush. Oh, it has hair from my mannequin in it, but this is the detangle brush. So you need to grab a section and start at the ends. Start
at the ends?
Yeah, hold the hair like this and start at the ends first.
Okay, so I'm supposed to like go like this.
What
do you mean grab at the ends? Like so, like this?
Yeah. Oh, but don't do it so hard. Why are you doing it so hard? Like it's a fight. Like my hair is super nappy.
I don't understand.
Okay.
Like that? Like that?
Yeah.
That was good.
And then work your way up. Work your way up. Because then you're not, you know, breaking my cuticle.
What? What is that?
If you start from the top and brush down, it's going to hurt me. And plus you're snapping my cuticle. You're snapping the hair strand. If you start from the top and it's tangled, you're snapping my hair strand. So work your way. Now you can go through it. I can take it. You can go through it.
Go through what?
Go through the whole thing right here. This whole section.
Do I like brush that way or this way?
You can go this way now since you have me.
Okay.
Hey, you gonna take out my eyelash.
Sorry, man.
Okay.
I'm trying
now,
to be gentle.
Okay. You can go from the ends again. Go from the ends again. I mean, go from the base again.
On the same thing?
Yeah. Make sure it's good all the way through. You ever brushed your hair before?
Not like this.
Okay, that's good. Now you can work your way
Okay.
over. Start from the ends. You're used to doing my hair because I always ask you guys. always ask him to part my hairs when I'm about to do box braids, and he's really used to it. Subscribe.
Hit the bell. Thank you.
The reason why you hold the ends is because, like, okay, now, okay. The reason why you hold the ends is because you don't want to hurt me. Like, that's what I have to do with a mirror. Our 2-year-old, I have to.
Do myself. Alright. Man, this brush is becoming a weapon.
Okay. Ah!
Sorry, man.
Okay, work your way over here.
Okay.
Good though. But why can I hear my hair right now? It's not that bad. You're really making it like it's nappy.
How? How am I? I'm just brushing it. What am I
Whatever.
doing? I'm hearing stuff snap too. Don't get mad at me. That ain't fair. Y'all hear all that snapping? Talk about me.
I am starting at the end. Okay. Now my hair is all brushed out. Now, oh shoot, I just heard something snapping. Now I got this Fructis anti-frizz serum. It's supposed to be like to me it's supposed to be like a heat protectant. So I'm gonna just have you put it through my hair.
So I'm like massaging it through?
Yeah. We're just gonna act as if it's a heat protectant. No, a drop. Do a drop.
Okay.
Let me see.
Drop.
Show them if you did a drop. If it.
A drop.
Is that like a drop to you guys? Comment below. Okay. Now rub it in your hand. Rub it all over.
How is this one little drop?
Now you can go through my hair.
How is this one little drop?
Wait, why are you going like this? Just go like this, rub it through my hair.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Are you about to massage my scalp?
Well, yeah, when I go get my locks retwisted, they always want to like go like that. I didn't know.
Man, I'm not getting my locks retwisted. I don't have locks. Okay?
Yeah, I'm trying.
I know. Good job. Good job. Comment below if y'all think you're doing a good job. Okay. So now,
blow dryer.
Wait, let go of my hair. I'm trying to grab something. Do a line down the middle, and then a line going up. So you're gonna have 4 sections. 2 right here. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all you're doing. You know what I'm talking about?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So basically, yeah, like just like 4 squares.
Got it. I think I got it.
Okay, let them see what you're doing. You want me to show them?
Yeah, you just like
Okay. Hey guys. Oh, you don't want to use that one. If you want, you can use that end of that comb. You don't have to use the.
Okay, so this is her part. Okay.
Okay, so here's a clip. You can clip this together. Twist it. So twist it and then clip. You just grab my eyelash again.
Ashley, if you don't stop complaining about these eyelashes, bro.
Okay, put a clip. Put this in a twist and put it in a clip.
Talk about eyelashes. Talk about eyelashes, bro.
Okay, now you do the same thing to this side. Why are you breathing so hard?
Cause I'm concentrating. Leave me alone.
Man, my eyelash.
Look, I swear, I'm about to quit. I
I'm
swear.
about to do it in a minute because I'm about to lose my eyelash. I'm just playing. Now we're gonna turn this pivot point blow dryer on. We don't need this. We're gonna do a rough blow dry. So you're gonna take. I'm not really gonna do it, DJ. Stop. Like this. Then keep going like this. So with your hand like this.
So I'm gonna just be blow drying it while.
Yeah, it's a rough blow dry. So just rough blow dry. That's it.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Hit the bell. Thank you.
Are you serious? DJ! My eyelash! Are you serious? DJ! I'll get you! Oh my god! Are you serious? Is it in my eyelash? Oh, I'ma get you. DJ, why'd you do that?
Yeah, alright, that was a prank. And I had to get you the opportunity. Now your eyelashes, I didn't get those. Those look fine. Now all you gotta do is.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. All
I'm
you gotta
mad
do.
now.
All you gotta do is go wash your hair one more time, and we'll do this the right way. I promise.
No.
Babe.
No.
It was a prank.
No, that's messed up. Is this cornstarch or is this flour?
Flower.
Now I gotta take a shower. That's messed up, babe. Look at this. Look at me.
It was a prank. It was a prank. But it was a prank. It was a prank.
Do you think I'm in the mood to get flour all over me? I'm finally wearing eyelashes and you want to just do this prank. Like,
I had to take it, bro. I had to. I really had to do that, man. I had to. I had to do it, man. But I promise I'm gonna do it the right way.
No,
and we'll pick it up. Come on.
No, I don't want you to do it anymore. Just turn the video off.
I mean, babe, how do you feel about this prank?
What do you think? I thought I was gonna get my hair blow dried so I could do some gypsy locks or whatever. And then you just... This is crazy. What is wrong? Why are you putting the camera in my face? I really thought we was doing husband that blow dries wife's hair. I thought it was gonna be a little cute video, but no, you wanna throw...
Sorry. Well, I love you anyways.
No, you don't. No, you don't, babe.
Oh, I left a mark. I left a kiss mark. Alright, y'all.
Wasting product and everything.
So that right there was the blow drying with flour and prank on Ashley, man. I was kind of scared to do that, man. I didn't know how she was gonna react, but hopefully y'all got a laugh out of that, man. If you like that prank, please make sure you go ahead and like this video and make sure that you guys subscribe to this Real Squad. We out.
Subscribe.
Hit the bell. Thank you.